Hi everyone, I am Bipin Thomas UR14 CS221. I am here to do my ninth experiment on Unix lab. So ninth experiment is based on three major subdivisions. First one is to find the vowels and to convert it from lowercase to uppercase. Second is to tell how many vowels are there in there, and third is piping. So let's go to the code that I have created. Vi space 91.c. So this is my code that I've used. So first of all, I have used five header files, added five header files, and I'm starting my main function. So I've declared five integer variables: fd file descriptor for file descriptor, n bytes, id, and child pid, and a character, a string of 100 has been created, and rb of 100, that is a read bytes, has been created. And I have first of all I initialized id as pipe of fd. So if this id is equal to 0, then a pipe is created, else a pipe is not created. So I am using statement to print parent process, and I am asking the user to enter a string. So I am reading it using scanf. So and write fd of 1 comma string comma str length. I am finding the length of the string using str length command, and I am knowing the length of the string. And if this child pid is equal to 4 is equal to 0, then this child process and parent process will be taken, and get pid is used for taking this, getting this pid. And I'm checking for the size of this read bytes, and I'm checking whether this first letter or this coming letters are equal to any vowels. If this are equal to vowels, then it will be converted from lowercase to uppercase. So the received string will be printed. So this is my first subdivision. Let's go to cc space 91.c. So dot slash a dot out. So parent process and the string bipin. So it will convert my all my vowels into uppercase letters. So this is all with my first subdivision. So let's go to the second subdivision. So vi space uh, vi space read.c. vi space read.c. So this is my second subdivision. So I have added six header files initially, and I have started with my main function. So initially I have declared count as 0, then a buff of 100 has been declared as character. So I'm going to open my pipe, and I'm going to read this using o underscore read write function. So I'm going to read this, and I'm going to find the size of this buff, and I am going to store it in bytes. So I'm going to find the size of the buff, and checking whether it is equal to I using the for loop. And if this I, that is the starting variable or this coming variable, is equal to any of the vowel, then the vowels will be count. So in such a way, a given string's number of vowels can be found. So this is all the second subdivision. So let's go to the output section. cc space read dot slash a dot out. So in buffer in pipe, I have written hello world. So the number of vowels will be 3. So this is all with my second subdivision. So let's go to the third subdivision. vi space write dot. So this is my third thing. So I'm going to create a pipe, and I'm going to enter a string. So I'm going to find the length of the string. So I'm initially creating 6 header files, and same as before, main function and integer, 2 integer variables, id and file descriptor fd, and character buffer of 100, and a node has been created using mknode command. A node has been created, and my pipe is attached to it, and if a statement. So If this id is equal to 0, the same as the previous, pipe is created, else the pipe is not created. So they are asking for a string to enter. I am scanning it, and I'm finding the length of the string, and I'm finally posting the file descriptor. So let's go to the output. Pipe not created. So I'm typing a variable pip. So a pipe is created. So this is all with my experiment. Thank you.